To quickly get outfit ideas for what to wear based on the weather, how casual or dressy you'd like to be, or if there are certain pieces you'd like to wear, you can use the Outfit Picker, located in the Quick Access menu on the home page. Alternatively, the Outfit Picker can be found by tapping Outfits along the top menu and navigating to the Outfit Picker at the top. When you click the Outfit Picker button, it will open up a dialog box where you can select the appropriate filters for the outfit you need. Let's say you're having a play date and it's warm outside. Tap Casual and Warm. And let's say you want to wear your color shorts. We'll type color shorts here in the dialog box. We recommend entering only 1 or 2 items at the most, as this gives you more outfit ideas. You can always come back to enter a different item later. Here, you can select whether you want to see original formulas, outfits worn by our models, or outfits uploaded by members of our community. Let's pick original outfits. Another option is to see only the outfits you can make. This will show only outfits that have a top and bottom, or a dress, that you have checked off in the closet. All other outfits will be hidden. Once you've entered all the filters you'd like, tap Find Outfits. You will see several outfit ideas that meet your specifications. Scroll through the options until you find an outfit that you'd like to try. You can then save this outfit by tapping the little bookmark here. You can access your saved outfits by tapping Saved Outfits along the top menu. For more details about the outfit itself, tap on the outfit card and it will open up. The formula is provided below. Once you've worn the outfit, you can also upload your version by tapping the plus button on the corner of the screen. Here you can upload your version of the outfit as you styled it. And that's how you use the Outfit Picker to find inspiration for what to wear for the day.